Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Kulguru. In this video, I will be covering a small tutorial on numbers application in MacBook. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe so that you will get latest updates. Let's start. Step 1, let's see how to open the numbers app in MacBook. So you will see this icon here at the bottom. You can click here and it will open this screen. You can click on new document. It will open this screen now, and this will ask you to choose one of the templates from the list given here. So for example, here this is the blank template, and there are some inbuilt templates that this app is providing to us. For example, personal finance in simple budget. Then for business there are employee schedule, invoice, and return on investment template. And there are for education there are attendance, gradebook, GPA. The benefit of using these apps are they already have a formula in built in it, and they are easily customizable also. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I will use this blank template. I will put my cursor here, so you might have already observed green border here, and then I will click on create at the bottom right. Once I click, this particular window will open, and this is my landing page. So whenever I open the numbers app in MacBook, this is the landing page which I will get. I will maximize it here. So let's understand this view first. Here you can see this particular spreadsheet. We are right now on the sheet 1. Here it is named as sheet 1. You will see one arrow pointing downwards. If you click on this, you will see different options for formatting this particular name. Similarly, you will see some 7 columns which are named from A to G, and you will see also the rows which are marked from 1 to 22. Okay, and here to the right side you will see 2 main options here, which is formatting and organizing. In each of these two you will see different options for formatting. So for example, right now we are in the format option. You will see some formatting options for table. If I click on cells, similarly if I click on text and arrange, you will see different options here. We will go through all these in the coming section. And if I click on organize, again you will see here different options for organizing data here. You will also see that row 1 is in dark gray color and column A is a bit light gray. This is why, because in row 1 you will find the column headers, and in column A you will find the row headers, and that is how the data will be maintained in the tables. Okay, and now if you compare this with Excel application of MS Office, you will find very huge amount of rows and columns already available there. Now if you have worked in tables in MS Office, you will find there are very much similarities with the numbers app here. The data will be maintained only in the table format. Now let's talk about some functions here. I will create some dummy data here. So right now I have clicked on this particular cell, and the reference of this cell will be as a combination of the column name plus the row number. So for example, right now we are on this particular cell, so the reference of this cell will be B1. Similarly, if I select this particular cell, the reference of this cell will be D11, because this is the column name and 11 is the row number. Now let's say I want to write the month name here. So I will write Jan, and once I write Jan and I press return button, automatically you will see that entire month name has populated. Now if I click here, you might see that the actual, you will see at the bottom left side, the actual number which is stored here as 1/1/2022. And if I go to format and if I go to cell here, you will see that the data format is automatic. So the numbers app has used its inbuilt functions to automatically understand that the date the data format is in date format, and that is why you will show that the actual number behind this which is stored is 1/1/2022. Now let's say I want to auto populate this. Once I hover over there, I will you will see one option, a drag option there, and once I pull it to my right side, you will see automatically the month's name are getting populated. And I will release my left click till the column I want all the months here. So you will see Jan, Feb, March up till June, all the months are mentioned here. Similarly, let's say these are the these and these are my as I just explained, these are my the row headers. So let's say I want to write here, and let's say I'm preparing some budget file. So I will write how much I spend on grocery, how much I spent on education, how much I spent on foods, okay, or yeah. And here now I will write some dummy numbers. Oh, this is too much to spend on groceries, sorry for that. So let's say I spent 6,500 on education, I spent 5,000, and on foods I spent outside foods I will say, so we spent 2,000 rupees due to this corona. Let's say we restricted ourselves for outside food. If I put my cursor here on this particular cell, which is B2, it has taken the data format as automatic, and it is showing decimal places as auto. Let's say I want to format all this entire screen. I have pressed the left click of my mouse, and I'm moving over all the area where I want to select. And then once after I release the mouse button here, I will go to cell, I will select the data format here, data format as number, and then let's say I want how many decimal places. Let's say you want 2 decimal places, and here how do you want to show the negative numbers. Let's say I want to show negative number as in red font within the brackets, so like this. And here there are different options. So for example, in fill you will see that there are different options for filling out all your cells. So let's not use that at the moment. Once I choose everything and I click outside, you will see that the number formatting has updated. Now let's say you also want the 1000 separator here. So again I will select entire page here, and I will click here on the 1000 separator. So once I click it, you will see 6,500 along with 2 decimal places as 00.